Wants to install TWRP recovery in Samsung Galaxy J5 but don't know how to install it? Then watch the video. By the end of this video, you will easily install TWRP recovery in your Samsung Galaxy J5. So hey guys, this is Jarvis from bootimg.in, a place where you can download all the boot images for your Android device. If you are new here, then do consider subscribing channel. Let's roll the intro first.
Preview.
So first of all, let me show you my device is Samsung Galaxy J5 2015. Guys, I already made a video on Samsung Galaxy J5 2016. If your device is 2016, then check the video here. So guys, as you can see, my device is running on Android version 6.0.1. So first of all, I'm gonna power off my phone and boot my phone into the recovery mode to show you any custom recovery is installed or not. So I'm gonna reboot my device into recovery mode by pressing volume up, power key and home key simultaneously. So as you can see, custom recovery is not installed on my device. This is the Samsung official recovery and device is J500FX and model number is J5LTEXX or /J5LTE. So I'm gonna reboot my device. My device is now rebooted. It's time to enable developer option. So go to setting, go to about phone and tap on software info and enable tap on build number 5 times. Now developer option is enabled. Go back and here is the developer option. First of all, enable OEM unlock and enable USB debugging option. Now it's time to boot your device into downloading mode. So power off your device and press volume down, power key and home key simultaneously to boot the device into downloading mode. Press volume up to continue. Now my phone is in downloading mode. As you can see, model is J320F. Now let's move to the PC screen. In PC, you need to download some files. First is the Samsung drivers. Download this file and open this file as run as administrator. Guys, I already installed Samsung USB drivers, so I'm not gonna install again. So click on no. Back, and here is the Odin file. You can download this and TWRP file. You can download both the file from the description box. So open Odin and click on. As you can see, my device is added. Click on options and untick this auto reboot, and now click on AP and select the TWRP file. Here is the TWRP file. Click on done, and now it's time to flash this file. So I'm gonna press start button and as you can see the pass, it's mean file is flashed successful, as you can see on my device. So disconnect your device and firstly remove your phone battery and plug battery again, and now press volume up, power key and home key simultaneously to boot your phone into the recovery mode. Here is the custom recovery warning. Set warranty bit recovery. So as you can see, TWRP recovery is installed on my device. So guys, everything is working good. There is no bug in this recovery. Mount, setting, advanced, everything is working well. So guys, the next step is very important. First of all, click here and click on reboot to recovery. Guys, make sure you follow this step, otherwise TWRP recovery will be permanent and temporarily installed on your device. So make sure you follow this step. And now click on reboot and click on system. Guys, first reboot may take time, so be patient. I'm gonna fast forward the video. So guys, my phone is rebooted successfully. So it's time to check TWRP recovery is permanently installed or not. So again, reboot your device into recovery mode. So I'm gonna power off my device and boot my device into recovery mode by pressing volume up, power key and home key simultaneously. So congratulations guys, we successfully installed TWRP recovery in our device. Guys, if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching Tech Jarvis.